Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix date and time missing from taskbar in Windows 11. If you don't see the clock or date on your taskbar, this simple setting will bring it back. To make it appear, first click on the start button and then click settings. Under settings, click on this one, time and language in the left sidebar. On the right, click on date and time. Here you will see show time and date in the system tray. Toggle this one switch on and that's it. You will see date and time instantly appear on your Windows 11 taskbar. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.